Do you want to see a home in a very sought-after neighborhood where homes rarely come available? Well, welcome to 1100 Dunnavant Place here off Highway 41. This is a beautiful 3,270 square foot home with 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a beautiful backyard area. Let's go take a look. Welcome in. This is a great entertaining home. I can't wait to show it to you. Look at all the detail with the chandeliers, the upgraded paint schemes in this home. It is beautiful. This sitting room's at the front of the house with its own fireplace, has plantation shutters, and about 15-foot ceilings. This right here is the dining room. So you can put your dining room table right here where I'm standing. And it's going to be a beautiful spot to entertain, host, or just eat dinner with your family. As you make your way back down the hall here, you've got 3 bedrooms on the main level. 2 of them are down here with their own private bathroom. And then we'll show you the primary here in a minute. This is the kitchen. You flow into here. Look how large this kitchen is with an island in the middle. Whether you're having friends over, family over, or if you have a big family and have kids, you can hang out in here. Stovetop, gas cooking, but check this out. You have another bar top right here that you can sit at. And you have a breakfast nook area. And the detail throughout this home is amazing. I love this little keeping area / family room, TV room. It has its own fireplace as well, overlooking the backyard. It is beautiful. So much room to entertain, host, and relax in this home. What I love about this home is the bedrooms are private. This is the primary suite on its own end of the home here, and you can overlook your beautiful backyard. You've got tall ceilings, a really large room to do whatever you'd like. And then you flow into this master bathroom, which is spacious as well. You've got a big tub, double sink vanity, a large walk-in closet, toilet room, and a stand-up shower. Now we're upstairs. What I love about it up here is you can do so much. You could have an office up here, playroom, game room. It could be a bedroom with a lot of natural light and its own full bath, but look how big this place is. I love this back porch, whether you're having a cup of coffee here in the morning or you're sitting out here in the evening enjoying the sunset. It is always peaceful and quiet. You have so much room on this large back porch to cook out, entertain, hang out, and then your property line goes all the way out into the woods, down in the creek with beautiful sunsets.